Alright guys, today I'll be telling you about this Physio STIM machine, which is a TENS and EMS, TENS and EMS. So I used to play soccer, or in fact I still play soccer, and I have an injury because of which my muscle gets stiff, and I wanted to use it to stimulate my muscles so that I can have them get a bit of an exercise and strengthen them. So for that purpose, EMS is used. It also supports TENS or TENS, which is for nerves, which allows you to basically release the pain, while EMS allows you to strengthen the muscle by stimulating the muscle. It comes with these wires which you hook up in there, and then it has two inlets. One will go into one, the other in the other one, and you will then put these pads after peeling it from this plastic sheet, which is used to keep it clean. You put it on your body, basically not very far away, so current will flow from one to the other, and it will cause your muscle to basically, it's gonna shiver. You can control the intensity by selecting the program. So if I turn it on, for instance, you will see there are two holes, one in probe 2. You can set the one at one program, you can set another program on the other one. Right now I'm using EMS mode. As I mentioned, I won't like to stimulate my muscles. So yeah, it's pretty easy and simple to use. You increase the intensity until you start feeling those minor shocks. You can run it by battery. It also has an adapter that I have received. You can use that as well. It's a 9-volt adapter. And once you're not using it, you can just turn it off like that. Pretty simple and pretty useful. I recommend anyone who does sports and have a bit of an injury, I would say to keep it at your home. It's very useful.